Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want to see the performance of yours, and I want you to have a conversation with each other in English. How many of you is ready? Please raise hand to interact with somebody else. Only Shifa Farheen yet. Okay, Rahat Parveen and Shifa, please come on the stage. Okay, invite them.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Please.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Walaikum assalam. How are you,
How are
dear?
you? Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. And what are
Oh,
you doing?
I think I'm just taking class. And what about you? What were you doing before joining the class?
I was in the kitchen and I was making chicken. And after that, I just come now and I join class.
Okay. Are you married? You have kids?
Yeah, I am married. I got married last year in April. I have no kids now.
Okay.
Okay.
Why are you learning English? Any special like goal?
Yeah, and I want to be a teacher like Zakaria sir. I want to teach many other students like Zakaria sir.
Inshallah. Not
Thank
like Zakaria sir, but
Mashallah.
better than Zakaria sir.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, what do
Okay.
you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
In free time, I do many things like I create a content on Instagram and YouTube, and I do art and craft things. I love to do drawings and paper arts, so I make that video and upload on Instagram and YouTube.
Oh, mashallah.
Okay.
Please share with me a link. Shifa Farheen.
Okay, for sure.
Okay. Your study is complete, or what are you doing in which class?
Yeah, I have done studies. I am married and I have done B.Ed. And right now, I also want to be a teacher and for teaching like English communication. I want to be fluent in English, so that's why I'm learning and I'm here
Do you
to
have
be
kids?
fluent in English.
Do you
Yeah,
have
I
kids?
have two kids. Yeah, I have two kids.
Okay. What's their name?
Elder one is Arham and younger one name is Salar.
Okay, mashallah. Do you perform everyday salah?
Yes, yes, I perform every day Salah.
At what time do you get up in the morning?
Sorry,
At what time do you get up in the morning?
I get up in the morning at 5:30. After Salah, then I prepared lunch for my son, and then I get ready to him for school. And then after sending him to school, then I again slept for some time.
बढ़िया.
Okay.
अच्छा चलिए भाई माशाल्लाह. राहत परवीन एंड शिफा फरीन माशाल्लाह. बहुत स्पोक वेल माशाल्लाह. अच्छा बोले, कॉन्फिडेंस से बोले, अच्छी चीज है माशाल्लाह. गजब. चलिए जज़ाकल्लाह गुड़िया.
Thank you.
ओके, हम्माद अंसारी एंड लकी अली. If possible, turn on the camera.
Hello.
Hammad Ansari, please. Hammad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Ji, please.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. And you, sir?
Yeah, actually, I am also doing well. So, where from?
From Chhattisgarh.
Okay, that's the one.
My state name Chhattisgarh and my district name Sarguja, Ambikapur.
Yeah. So, why do you want to learn this language? What is the reason behind it? Because you are learning this language.
English language
Yeah, yeah.
is national language And nowadays, English is a necessary part of our life. In every where we go, English is written uh, all places. So English is a very important language, officially language,
Yeah, that's good.
because I am learning English.
Yeah,
Especially, I want to do
mm,
work on monotheism.
okay.
I want to dawa. I want to preach Islam. I want
Yeah,
to give message about Islam
mm,
because I am learning English.
yeah, that's right. Right. So, what do you do for living?
What do you do? Sorry.
For living, what's your profession? You are doing business or like you are doing job in any kind of
Yes, yes,
sector?
yes. I am an imam in a masjid, and
Oh,
I work at a shop, and I am teaching some children Quran, Urdu,
okay.
different work I have.
You are doing great for because you are performing salah. Yeah, that's great. And you are also like teaching to the student. That's great.
Yes, yes, yes. I was very busy, so pray for God for me. May Allah make our life easy.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. And apart
If
from that,
so,
I would like to,
I will
yeah, yeah.
start. I start from morning to
Mhm.
10 o'clock. यानी कि I am not free from morning to 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah,
I was busy.
yeah, you have a busy schedule, you can say.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
that's correct.
Kolhu ka bell.
So,
It is called Kolhu ka bell.
yeah, mm,
अरे भाई, why are you making yourself this way?
yeah, yeah, sir. I'm also thinking like that.
चलिए बच्चा, वंडरफुल, बढ़िया, दोनों अच्छा बोले हो माशाल्लाह.
Sir,
Next.
sir, I
Okay.
wanna talk to other co-learner also, sir. Other participant.
Okay.
I
If
want
it's
to talk to. Yeah.
if it's possible, I will definitely invite brother. Don't worry. Okay,
Yes, yes. Thank
inshallah.
you, sir.
Brother Qasim and Sohil, both come please. Qasim and Sohil.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. सोहिल कहाँ हो? सोहिल.
Hello, Salaam.
जी प्लीज. वालेकुम सलाम.
How do you, brother?
I'm doing well, brother. And you?
I'm also fine. From where are you?
Hmm, living abroad.
Oh, what?
I'm living abroad.
Oh, uh,
Yes. Where?
how did you spend day?
Hmm?
How did you spend day?
How do
Very
you
well.
spend your day?
2 days. Often. A lot of. Did you tell me? What do you do
What?
yesterday? Today? What do you do? Work?
Oh, now this time I'm studying in school, and after the school, I go to shop.
Hmm?
It's my daily schedule.
Your voice not clearly here.
Uh, I don't do any work. I only study, and then I go to
Which
shop
class do you study?
in seventh.
Which class do you study, bro?
In seventh. I
Oh,
study in class
which
7th.
subject?
What? All subjects.
All subject.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And what do you do? Hello?
I'm hello.
And what do you do in your daily activity?
Bro, your voice not clearly here.
What do you
दोनों
do
के
in your
जो
daily?
नेटवर्क है ना वो जोरदार वर्क कर रहे हैं तुम लोगों के। खाना वाना खिलाओ तो भूख लग रही है इन दोनों को। चलिए बेहतर है, जजाकल्ला। नेक्स्ट, अनीस फातिमा एंड फारूक फातिमा, both Fatimas are coming to have words with each other, mashallah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम। कहाँ हो जी?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम, प्लीज।
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Khairiyat. How are you?
How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How about you?
I am Alhamdulillah, Allah ka shukr hai.
Okay. So
Where are you from?
what is going? Oh, okay. I'm from India, Jharkhand. You know
Okay.
Ranchi?
I know, but
Okay. So okay. So I am from Ranchi, but I am living in Dubai from last 10 years.
माशाल्लाह।
okay, now live in
Yeah.
Dubai.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And where are you from?
I am from in Hyderabad. You know Hyderabad
Okay.
city.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
live in Banjara Hills.
Last year I visited. Yeah. And
Okay.
I ate lots of biryani every day. Yeah. And a very good city.
Hyderabad is my favorite. Yeah, mashallah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alhamdulillah.
We ate
Thank you.
lots of things like halim,
Mm.
biryani, and everything. And we bought
Hyderabad famous
lots of
dishes.
biscuits, Karachi biscuit. Yes.
Okay. Karachi Bakery.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
From Nilufar
Mm.
Bakery. Yes.
Okay, Nilafar Bakery is very big bakery
Famous.
and
Yeah, yeah.
famous bakery. Lot
Yeah.
of bakery have here Hyderabad.
Yeah, but that one is, I think, famous.
Okay.
Okay.
How many kids do
So
you
what?
have?
I have 2 daughters, Alhamdulillah.
हम्म,
Okay, mashallah.
Yeah, one daughter, 9 years old,
Uh,
and one 4 years old.
okay. What do you
Yes.
do in free time?
And nowadays, lots of things going on in my life. So I want to share that today I completed
Okay.
Tajweed Quran, Alhamdulillah.
माशाल्लाह,
Mashallah,
Yes.
congratulations।
Thank you, sir. And I don't want to disconnect class because when I recite now, I feel very relaxed. So I have
Yeah.
planned that from tomorrow I will recite Quran with meaning, inshallah.
माशाल्लाह।
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Learning also me.
Yes.
Tajweed Quran. In
Okay,
your free
mashallah.
time. I want to Tajweed
And
Quran.
English
Yes.
also. Yeah. And nowadays I am learning how to drive also.
अरे
Oh,
मेरे भाई।
mashallah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I passed a theory test in a first attempt, and I passed a
Okay.
parking test in first attempt. So next month I will give road test. So I request to all of you, please do for me that I will take
Okay,
in
okay.
first attempt.
Inshallah,
इंशाल्लाह
Zarur.
इंशाल्लाह।
Inshallah.
Jazakallah.
How do you,
Yeah. And
how do you,
from
ask?
next week, my kids' exam will be start.
Yeah,
So
I also
yeah,
kids.
so
My also
I
kids
am
of 21.
teaching them. So lots of
Yeah,
things. Nowadays I am very busy. Okay.
same. I am also
So
busy because my children's also starting exam 25, 27 Feb. So cannot have
oh,
time to practice for practice.
okay.
So that time
So
I very hard.
how
Tell
many
me,
kids do you have?
I have two kids. One son, first
Oh,
son
Alhamdulillah.
11 years old, 9 years old. Sorry, 11 years
Okay.
old. And second one 9 years old, 8 years old.
Mashallah. Good.
Mm,
So what did you
Thank
do
you.
today?
Nothing but Ramzan is coming now, coming soon. So
Yes.
that's why it's clean in home, in my room, and
Yeah.
washing
Okay.
clothes and dust.
Yeah, okay, that is good thing.
Uh, because
Yes.
it's coming from Ramzan. That's why
Okay.
I prepare for
So,
Ramzan.
yeah, that is good. I
Mm,
am also doing this all.
माशाल्लाह।
So,
mm,
अच्छा
mm.
भाई, अनीस फातिमा एंड फारूक फातिमा बहुत स्पोक वेल,
Jazakallah.
बहुत अच्छा बोले दोनों बच्चे,
Nice.
ये हमारे स्टूडेंट।
Jazaka.
चलिए
Jazaka.
Jazakallah,
जजाकल्ला
sir.
गुड़िया। ओके गुड़िया। चलिए भाई नेक्स्ट बुलाइए फैसल एंड एहरार।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Walaikum assalam. How
How
are
are
you,
you?
bro?
I am fine. What about you, brother?
I'm fine.
What do you do, brother?
Uh, I'm I'm a student, bro. I'm
Which class?
studying. Uh, I study BSc, and you?
Okay, brother. I am a student BSc first semester complete, and my start second semester in this month.
Okay.
Your brother, your semester,
Uh, Third semester.
brother, which BSc in which subject?
Uh, what, bro?
Brother, your BSc which subjects
Um,
in?
Biology.
Okay,
And
your
you?
preparation is doctor.
Um, no, bro.
Okay, your target.
Uh,
What?
एक्चुअली फैसल किसी के ना सुई चुबाना नहीं चाहते तो डॉक्टर डॉक्टर नहीं बनेंगे, क्यों किसी के सुई चुबाए तो
so
बोलती हैं।
after BSc, I want to take admission B Farm.
Okay. So brother, you are not clear in NEET exam.
No, bro.
Okay. You ask me, brother.
Um, what's your dream?
Brother, my dream is teaching life. First of all, I want to teach in uh, Quran, Urdu, Qaida for my childrens. And
Do you have
second,
kids?
sorry,
Are you
sir.
married?
No, sir.
Oh,
My
you
I'm
okay. You have in the mind, you have a dream. First you will get
okay. Yes.
married, you will have
Okay.
so many, mashallah, ronak, then you will teach them, right? Okay,
Yes. I part-time tuition.
okay.
Uh, Second dream is mathematic teacher. Uh, but
I think
I, I didn't start. But inshallah, I will start. Uh, I will start anytime.
okay.
Yeah,
okay.
next.
चलिए अच्छा भाई, देखो दोनों बोलते रहे हो, लेकिन दोनों में थोड़ी सी चीज जो मैंने अभी तक नोटिस की, और दो बच्चों और जो पहले आए उनके मुकाबले में थोड़ा सा स्लोनेस है, बोलने में तेजी नहीं है, एकदम एकदम जवाबात नहीं दे पा रहे। जो मिस्टेक्स है वो तो है ही अपनी जगह, लेकिन आप बोल भी नहीं पा रहे तेज। आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग आई थिंक, और यू डोंट डू प्रैक्टिस विद योर फ्रेंड, विद योर पार्टनर स्पेशली, व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू टू मेक। तो उसमें होता ही है कि आप जब नहीं बोलोगे तो फ्लुएंसी नहीं आएगी। Committing mistake is not a big deal. Everyone makes a mistake. Everyone commits a mistake. कोई मसला नहीं है, फ्लुएंसी आनी चाहिए। इससे पहले जो बच्चे बोले हैं तकरीबन सब तेज बोले हैं, वो दनादन, वो चाहिए मुझे हर एक स्टूडेंट से, ठीक है। वो अभी तक आया नहीं आप में से कोई, मतलब आप में से, आप दोनों में से उसकी जरूरत है। नेक्स्ट बुलाइए गौसिया कुरैशी एंड हलीमा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हलीमा सिस्टर।
सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हलीमा जो हैं भाई, बहुत इन्होंने जोरदार मेरे घर पे इन्होंने बच्चियों के लिए वो दिए। इनके यहाँ माशाल्लाह बड़ा, ये गुड़ी आप ही नहीं सिली हैं वो, मतलब आप ही की यहाँ सिलाई जाता है वो?
हाँ हाँ, मैं ही करती हूँ।
अबे बड़े
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
मतलब बहुत खूबसूरत अंदाज में इन्होंने वो क्या बोलते हैं उसके मखमे बोलेंगे क्या बोलेंगे गुड़िया उन्हें।
नमाज के मखने और बच्चों के डिजाइनर स्कार्फ है। और
हाँ
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोग मदरसा के भी ऑर्डर लेते हैं, 5-6 मदरसा के बनाते हैं घर में ही। मैं और मेरी जेठानी दोनों करते हैं।
अरे गजब बनाए भाई वो इन्होंने मैं तो यार वो कहते हैं इन्होंने मुझसे पहली मैसेज ली थी सर मना मत करना बस।
नहीं,
ख्याल
अच्छा लगता है सर। मैं कितना सोच के रखी थी कि मैं आपको भेजूंगी भेजूंगी।
हाँ लेकिन वो
आपके लिए भी भेजना था लेकिन आपने मना किया, फिर मैं बोली ठीक है, बट जो मैं करती हूँ वो दिखाओ आपको कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ।
नहीं नहीं बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगा वो सच में बहुत जेन्युइन है। आप लोग भी जो अगर इसका शौक रखते हो तो इनसे राब्ता रखिए आप। अच्छे बनाए मुझे तो अच्छे लगे यार। माशाल्लाह जज़ाकल्लाह गुड़िया।
जज़ाकल्लाह
प्लीज
सर।
टॉक टू ईच अदर।
Aslam sister.
सलाम। हाउ आर यू? हेलो।
Hello. जी जी।
हाउ आर यू?
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
How are you?
आई एम फाइन। व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. What's your good name?
हलीमा।
Like, mashallah.
एंड
So, what do you do for living?
व्हाट डू यू डू? सॉरी।
Nothing. I nothing do. Actually, I completed my master's, so
ओके।
that time I'm free and I'm pursuing the career classes.
ओके। हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स इन योर फैमिली?
I have 6 members. I'm eldest one. I have two little brother, younger brother, and one younger sister, and my
ओके।
parents.
यू आर 4 siblings.
Yeah.
ओके।
Where are
What
you
is your
live?
favorite food? I am live in Mumbai, in
Mashallah.
Malad.
Very far
Mhm.
from
Okay.
here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. I like Lucknowi kurta,
I like
but I
you.
didn't found here original Lucknowi kurta. I go many more shop, but I don't like.
When you
It's
come
a
Lucknow, uh, please visit Chowk and Nakhas. You buy so many beautiful kurtas because in Lucknow, these two most important place for Lucknowi chicken.
yes. uh, here is many persons say sell here Lucknowi kurta, but I think this kurta is a copy and duplicate. Then I don't like.
Yeah, because this
Hmm.
is two different. One is machine work, one or
And handwork.
important. Yeah, handwork.
Yes, I like
Lucknow.
handwork, and I did do, but I don't have more time. Then I one day I'm thinking, can I make for me uh with hand embroidery? I do have hand embroidery and I stitch and I wear, but I don't have a time more time. Then I didn't do.
Can I favor you? If you want buy Lucknowi chicken, so I buy for you and send your location.
Hmm. Okay, you
If you
send me
allow me.
location, then I try to. Yes, you send me.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
great. Wasia and Halima
Okay.
both spoke well.
Jazakallah.
माशाल्लाह they were talking about business. हाँ बढ़िया चलो अच्छा है अच्छा है। चलिए जज़ाकल्लाह। फाइजा and Mahinul sister.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Walaikum salam. How are you, sister?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I am also fine. And where are you live?
What?
Where do you live?
I am
And
from
which city?
Telangana.
Sorry?
I am from Telangana. Ahmedabad. Where are you
Oh,
from?
actually, I am from Pune, Maharashtra. And what do you do?
Yes. What about
Sorry?
I have just completed My BSc second year, second semester.
Oh, I also completed my graduation and now I'm searching for a job. If I get a job, I will do that, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And like, what is the famous thing or a special thing in your city? Like, we have to visit and go there.
Hmm.
If I came there, so what is the special thing is there to watch and
It's
see that?
famous thing our city, biryani, Hyderabadi biryani.
Oh.
Here,
Any museum is there, like for history museum or something like that?
like Charminar, Golconda, Seven Tops, and Charminar, and
Okay. Like in my city, there is a very famous malls, like shopping malls and like gardens for visiting. So yeah, that is the special thing in my cities.
you know Charminar.
Yeah, I watched some videos, but I didn't see in like a real life. But I see some videos and reels.
It is a French, you know, Charminar.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly.
In our state.
Sir, I can't hear her properly.
Actually, Maheen sister, your voice is not coming properly.
Okay, sir.
Yes, your voice is lagging and breaking.
Oh, sorry, sir, network problem.
Yeah, maybe. चलिए, जज़ाकल्लाह. Okay, Faiza, जज़ाकल्लाह गुड़िया. अच्छा बोले आप भी, माशाल्लाह. Now, Dania and Sania, both sister come. I don't know they are sister or not. Just I'm telling.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am doing well. What about you, sister?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. What are you doing?
I am just taking a class. And could you please tell me about day-to-day activities of yourself?
Okay. Now, these days I am very busy because my exam and my practicals are going on. Right now I am pursuing my graduation. So that's why I have busy. So
No, it's really fascinating.
Are you completed your graduation or are you doing something?
No, I'm a 12 pass out student. I was excelled in science subject and I was really fascinating about human physiology. So I want to pursue my career as a doctor. I know it's very quietly challenging for me, but I know it's incredibly rewarding for me. Because I have faith in Allah that Allah make it easy for me because in those difficult situations, Allah make it support for me. So
Inshallah, you will become.
Jazakallah, sister. So what's happening in your life? Any new exciting experiences or not?
No, nothing excited. But I am waiting for Ramadan.
I also waiting for Ramzan.
Dania is waiting for Ramadan to cook a lot of dishes at the time of
Yes,
iftar. Huh?
I'm cleaning utensils after iftar.
That's so horrible. After
Okay.
Your voice is not audible, sister.
Hello, I am audible.
Yes. I am also waiting for upcoming Ramadan because I want to restart myself because last year I had my exams,
You are
so
not clear.
I don't have time to interact with Allah. So
Your
I
voice is
will
not.
really feel amazing
That's why I
for
didn't
upcoming
listen.
Ramzan. Yes.
हाँ, दानिया की तरफ से शायद नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. चले कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
माशाल्लाह. दोनों बच्ची अच्छी
Sorry,
बोली.
sir, I didn't hear your voice.
हाँ गुड़िया, आपके ना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रही है गुड़िया. ये कह रही है तो बहुत देर में आवाज जा रही है, आपकी भी बहुत देर में आ रही
Something
है.
happened in my phone.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं दानिया.
Okay, no problem, sister. Nice to talk to you.
जज़ाकल्लाह, बहुत बढ़िया है, गजब. चलिए, अच्छा है. सानिया का इम्प्रूवमेंट देख के आई रियली फील अमेजिंग. ये बच्ची का मुझे वो दिन भी याद है जब सेंटेंस बनाया करते थे, वो आता है वो नहीं आता है ना। आप देखो क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अमेजिंग। खैर, जैनब एंड अलीजा, both come on the stage, come fast.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm fantastic. What is your full name?
My full name is Zainab Kabra.
And my full name is Aliza Imran Khan. Where do you live?
I live in Pune, Maharashtra. What about you?
I live in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay.
Oh, what's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is dal gosh. In my family, everyone eats dal gosh. No one is there who doesn't like dal gosh. Oh.
Oh.
In
Zordar.
Pune, what is the tourist place where tourist comes?
Tourist place in Pune, like it's so many places. Sometimes
Famous
is
place famous place where so many tourists came to visit and see.
When we talk about shoppings market, Shaniwar Wada is there, and MG Road, FC Road, and like that, all like that. And
In my city, there is so many dargahs, Haji Ali, Gateway of India. So many things is there. No.
yes,
Have you ever visited to the boat ride or in sea rating boating? Like that?
yes, I have visited it many times. I have done it many times. Like whenever I go to Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar, like that.
Yes, in Maharashtra there is so many rivers, lakes. So you have ever
Yes,
visited there? Yes.
yes.
Is
What's
there
your favorite place?
my favorite place is Haji Ali Dargah. I liked
Okay.
it very most. I liked it very most. I also play in that water, and I also play in the sea. I liked it very most, and I also pray there. Oh,
Okay.
is there cold there? Is it freezing moment there in Pune?
No, it's very hot. Like it's too hot here. It's like
But now
nearly 40
it is
degrees and all like that.
now, but now in Mumbai it is very cold. I don't like it. I am feeling like this summer will come, and summer I'm feeling like this winter can come. This type
Yes.
is going on in my mind.
So like actually we are from Gujarat. We are new to Maharashtra. So I don't know so many places here, and like I have not visited yet. So like that.
Okay, that is the reason. Okay, बेटी, both spoke well. Fantastic. Aliza and Zainab, you both spoke amazing, बेटी, शाबाश। अच्छा बोले दोनों बच्चे, माशाल्लाह। चलो भाई, अच्छा है। देखो सबा कहाँ गई? सबा छुप रही और इधर को है, सर मुझे नहीं बुला ले। क्यों बाबू, पीछे नहीं हटते हैं ना। चलो आप थोड़ा सा अफसाना के साथ बोलो, शाबाश। सबा को बुलाओ भाई। अफसाना शेख विद सबा जफर, प्लीज।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम। अफसाना आओ बाबू।
जी सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबा। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। How are you? Yeah, I'm doing well, just bit busy because I'm preparing for an interview. So I need to practice every day to improve my skills. And how about you? Yeah, I'm also fantastic, Alhamdulillah. What are you doing? Right now I am having conversation with you. And where are you from? I'm from Sangli, Maharashtra, but currently living in Pune. Oh, great. Lots of people here live in Pune. Yeah, today I heard in conversation. Yeah. I am from Azamgarh, but I live in Aligarh. My family live in Aligarh since 1990. Okay, so I think You are from UP. It's belong to UP. Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay.
I heard about that university, Aligarh University, in news.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone,
And
everyone know Aligarh University.
yeah, and it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you? I want to ask that. Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer because in winter darkness. I don't like darkness. I like shine. So that's why.
Oh, that's the opposite for me because I love winter more because uh, I have a sunburn problem. So in summer I need to care extra care, and without I can't go outside without wearing mask, goggles. So that's why I don't like summer.
Yeah.
ओके माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है। सबा एंड अफसाना माशाल्लाह बहुत स्पोक वेल, अच्छा बोले
और आप
दोनों बच्चे, माशाल्लाह, अच्छी बात है। अच्छा भाई देखो, इसी तरह आप अगर बात करें एक दूसरे से तो कितना अच्छा रहे, है ना? ऐसे ही किया कीजिए आप। और कई बच्चे और रह गए हैं जो मेरे सामने हैं। जकिया सिस्टर हैं, आराम से बैठी एकदम, फलक हैं मजे से बैठी एकदम, सर नो टेंशन बैठी, बुलाना मत। नहीं बुला रहे भाई साहब, आप बैठो आराम से, ठीक है? तो मतलब ये कि आप ना अपने शौक से, कौसर फातिमा है वो भी सोरेंगे, अरे सर मुझे तो बुलाएंगे ही नहीं, एकदम नहीं बुलाएंगे सर मुझे, है ना गुड़िया? हाँ, तो ऐसा मत किया कीजिए, आप अपने शौक से आया कीजिए ना। और वसी में आज लेसन पढ़ा था आपको, वो हैव समथिंग डन वाला, वो जो मैंने बताया था कि मैं पेंट करता हूँ, एक पेंट करवाता हूँ, एक है कि मैं मोबाइल ठीक करता हूँ खुद, एक है किसी से दूसरे से करवाता हूँ मोबाइल ठीक, एक एक घर बनाता हूँ, एक एक घर बनवाता हूँ। वो मैं आज लेसन पढ़ा था, नहीं मैंने सोचा, मन गया थोड़ा सा बच्चों का जायजा ले लें, हल्का सा टेस्ट वैस्ट देख लें क्या सूरत हाल है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अच्छा लगा, लेकिन सब बढ़िया बोले हो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। बस वो लोग जो थोड़ा सा तवज्जो नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, उनको हल्की सी प्रॉब्लम सी लगी मुझे। इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो ज़हीन नहीं है, ये वो कर नहीं सकते। वो जो बच्चे अच्छा बोले यार, उनसे अच्छा बोल सकते हैं वो, लेकिन वो भी चाह नहीं रहे। जिस दिन उन्होंने चाह लिया, उस दिन इंशाल्लाह काम हो जाएगा। तो मेरी उनसे यही गुजारिश है कि आप चाह लीजिए मेरे भाई, कौन सा दिन आएगा जिस दिन आप चाहेंगे। इतने खूबसूरत मोमेंट्स और आपके डेज चल रहे हैं, सब कुछ माशाल्लाह आपके इल्म में आ गई चीज़ें कि यार ये वाला सेंटेंस हमें ऐसे जो है फ्रेम करना है, इस सेंटेंस को इस तरह रखना है, इसे वैसे रखना है, इसे वैसे रखना है। फिर और क्या चाहिए? देखो इंसान को यही दिक्कत होती है। अब आज जो एक नया बैच शुरू हुआ हमारा, तो 6 PM का एक बैच था, तो उसमें एक बंदा था भाई, क्या मतलब उसका एक्सेंट था कि मैं सच बता रहा हूँ आपको कि मैं उसके सामने अजीब से हो रहा था। इतना गजब बोल रहा था बंदा वो। उसने ये बताया कि सर, पहले तो उसने बेपनाह तारीफें की कि सर के पढ़ाने का अंदाज यूं है, मैं तो पहले दिन से यूं हो गया था, और ये वो सब। उसने अच्छे खासा 3-4 मिनट लिए, जबकि मैं हर बच्चे को 1.5 मिनट दे रहा था। कई मिनट लिए उसने बंदे ने, और बहुत गजब की अंग्रेजी बोली उसने। वो अलग बात है, उसने मिस्टेक्स की काफी सारी। वो यही कह रहा था, सर मेरी प्रॉब्लम यही है कि वाइल स्पीकिंग आई कमिट अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स, दैट्स माय प्रॉब्लम। तो उसने मुझे यही बताया। मैंने कहा भाई टेंशन मत लीजिए, यहाँ तो मैंने फिल्टर लगा रखा है। वो जो फिल्टर है ना, मेरी कंजुगेशन वो ऐसी कि सारी ग्रामर आपको सही कर देंगी वो। तो बहरहाल तो ऐसे ऐसे भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बच्चे हैं जो क्लास ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, जबकि बहुत अच्छी पोस्ट पे है वो, उसकी माशाल्लाह सब कुछ है। लेकिन वो चाह रहा कि यार इस बंदे से सीखूं यहाँ के। कई लोगों ने बताया 3 महीने में ज्वाइन करके आया, कुछ नहीं मिला, पैसे भी छोड़ के आ गए हम। उन्होंने भैया इनसे पढ़ लो आगे। तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है। ये सब चीज जो है वो इसीलिए था कि एक बच्चे को अच्छा से इन्वायरमेंट मिल रहा है। असल में देखो मसला, मैं कई बार आपसे पहले भी कह चुका हूं, अभी भी कह रहा हूँ, टीचर का काम है आपकी रहनुमाई। यार अच्छा बनना तो आप ही को है। आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इतना आगे बढ़ेंगे, सीधी बात है। मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ और आपके लिए मुझे आप बता दीजिए कि सर ये और करा दीजिए, मैं वो करा दूं। मतलब मेरे जितना बस में है, मैं आपको 45 मिनट्स में, 40 मिनट्स में जो करा देता हूँ वो करा देता हूँ। लेकिन उसमें मेरी आपसे यही गुजारिश रहेगी कि आप लोग ना थोड़ी मेहनत बढ़ाओ, सब लोग, है ना? आप लोगों का ग्रुप मैंने बना रखा है, लड़कियों का बच्चियों का अलग ग्रुप है। कभी कभी मैं देखता हूँ माशाल्लाह कुछ लोग आप में से मैसेज कर दो कि भाई इज एनीवन फ्री टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी। अच्छा लगता है मुझे देख के इस तरह का मैसेज। कोई दूसरा बच्चा कह देता है, सॉरी, कोई दूसरा बच्चा कह देता है कि आई एम फ्री नाउ, तो मतलब अच्छा लगता है। इसी तरीके से अगर आप रेगुलरली बेस पर कोई काम करें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा आपके लिए, सच में रहेगा। इसलिए आप बोला कीजिए। और आप होता ये है कि जब प्रैक्टिस ना करोगे तो आप हिंदी सेंटेंस तो करोड़ों बना लोगे, फिर एक जगह आप स्टक हो जाएंगे। अब यार अब क्या बोलें, हालात पूछ लिए, क्या खाते हो ये पूछ लिया, कितने बहन भाई ये पूछा, अब क्या पूछें आगे। मतलब कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन बताई नहीं जाती कि जिसके बारे में हम बोलने बाहर। तो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम। उसका एक ही तरीका, एक ही इलाज है, कम्युनिकेट अलॉट। ठीक है, जो आपके दोस्त, आपका पार्टनर, उसके साथ आप बात करिए। ठीक है मेरे भाई, बस ये इसका हल है, इसके अलावा कुछ हल नहीं है इसका। ठीक है भाई, बाकी जो है दानिया बाबू, जो आप बात बता रहे थे, मैंने वैसे मैसेज में आपकी पढ़ ली थी, मुझे आप उस पर बता सकते हो कोई अगर बात हो तो। ठीक है, वो मसले की बात नहीं, क्लास सब लोग पाबंदी से लीजिए, लेकिन है ना, उससे फायदा होगा इंशाल्लाह सब लोग का। चलिए मिलते हैं फिर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह।